Hi kids, today we will be doing one very simple landscape. For that, we have to divide our paper into three. Top part will be my sky. This middle line, this will be my grass, and the last line will be my soil. So first half, the sky part, I will be filling it with water, clear water. So this is wet on wet technique. So completely I am going to fill the sky with the water. Now for the sky I will take cobalt blue. Okay, just I am going to do a light gradient from the top to bottom. Slowly bring the color from the top to bottom. Okay. When the paper is wet, you have to make clouds. So for that, I have taken a tissue and just damping on the paper color. See, slowly it comes out. So you can see the clouds very clearly. So I am using a tissue paper. If you don't have a tissue paper, you can use cotton also. Okay, but this you should do only when the paper is wet. If it is dry, you will not be able to take out the colors very easily like this. Okay. Now I am going to add a green color like sap green for the grass. Okay, slowly I am just, it is dry on technique also, dry on wet you can use. Okay, or you can even make it wet on wet. But when you go to the grass, the first part, the sky part should be completely dry, or what happens, it will start blending with the sky. Okay. Here I am using yellow ochre. If you like to do wet on wet, you can do wet on wet, or dry on wet also you can do. See that your green color is completely dry, and then start with the yellow ochre. Okay. Now I am going to use dark green to make a tree. If you want, you can do any imaginary objects that you like. Okay, I am just making a tree. We are done. Bye bye.